Next one is exercise 2.18. In our question is an object is executing uniform circular motion with an angular speed of pi by 12 radian per second. At t equal to 0, the object start at on angle theta equal to 0. What is the angular displacement of the particle after 4 seconds? What is given here? Angular speed. Angular speed is omega. Angular speed omega equal to, the value is pi divided by 12 radian second minus 1. Now here t equal to 0, theta is equal to 0 to 0. What we have to find it out is t equal to 4. What is the value of theta? What we have to find it out? Angular displacement. So here angular displacement theta equal to omega t. So here the omega value is pi by 12 into t value what? T value is 4. So here cancel means this 3. So pi divided by 3. So here pi value is 180 degree. 180 degree divided by 3. After the simplification, the final result is 60 degree. So here theta value is 60 degree. Next one is exercise 2.20. In our question is consider the x-axis as representing east, the y-axis as north, and z-axis as vertically upward. Give the vector representing each of the following point. Here 5 meter northeast and 2 meter up, 4 meter southeast and 3 meter up, 2 meter northwest and 4 meter up. So here let us consider the direction. So here east, west, north, south. Here north direction is positive y-axis. Here south direction is negative y-axis. Here east direction is positive x-axis. West direction is negative x-axis. Z-axis is always positive. Okay. So here first we can go for writing unit vector of northeast. Unit vector of northeast. So here unit vector of northeast. So here north is positive y-axis, east is the positive x-axis. So here unit vector is I cap plus j cap divided by modulus of I cap plus j cap. So here I cap plus j cap divided by, so this determinant can be written as root of coefficient 1 square plus 1 square, so equal to I cap plus j cap divided by the value what? Root 2. Okay, similarly southeast direction, the unit vector of southeast direction. So here south is the negative y-axis, here east is the positive x-axis. So that is the unit vector is positive x-axis and negative y-axis. So that's why I am putting minus j cap divided by determination of I cap minus j cap. Okay, so here I cap minus j cap. So this determinant can be written as root of 1 square plus 1 square. So here minus term you will be converted into positive because of squaring term. Okay, so here I cap minus j cap divided by root 2. Next one is we will find out the unit vector of northwest. So here north is the positive y-axis and west is the negative x-axis. So here minus I cap plus j cap divided by determination of minus I cap plus j cap. So here minus I cap plus j cap. So this determinant can be written as root of 1 square plus 1 square. So here minus I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. Okay, now we are coming to the question is 5 meter northeast and 2 meter up. So here 5 meter, so that is the option A. Here 5 meter northeast, so the unit vector of northeast, what the value is I cap plus j cap divided by root 2, and 2 meter up means positive or negative, positive only, so here plus the value is 2, so here 2. Next one is option B. So here 4 meter, so here southeast, so the unit vector of southeast, the value is I cap int I cap minus j cap divided by root 2. Next one is and 3 meter up, so here plus 3, up means here the z direction up means always you are positive. Next one is option C. So here 2 meter, so here 2 into which direction, northwest direction, so the unit vector of northwest, what the value is minus I plus j cap minus I cap plus j cap divided by root 2, and 4 meter up, so here plus 4. Sorry, here you will put the direction of this vector is k cap, k cap, k cap, because of this z axis, isn't it? Next one is exercise 2.21. So in our question is the moon is orbiting the earth is approximately once in 27 days. What is the angle transversed by the moon per day? So here the moon is orbiting the earth approximately once in 27 days. In 27 days, the moon revolving the earth, so the angle is 360 degree. One revolution, how many angles are created? 360 degree. So 27 days, the angle created is 360 degree. So here what is the angle transversed by the moon per day? So 1 day means here 360 degree divided by 27. After the simplification, the final result is 13 degree 3 minutes. Next one is exercise 2.22. So in our question is an object of mass m has angular acceleration alpha equal to 0.2 radian second minus 2. What is the angular displacement covered by the object after 3 seconds? Assume that the object started with angle 0 with 0 angular velocity. What is given here? So here the object of mass m has angular acceleration, that is alpha. So alpha is 0.2 radian second minus 2. Next one is angular displacement, that is covered by the object after 3 seconds, that is angular displacement theta you will be find out when after 3 seconds, that is t equal to what? 3 seconds. So what is the relation between this angular displacement and angular acceleration? Okay, here the formula is theta equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t squared. So here theta is nothing but angular displacement, omega naught is the angular velocity, alpha is the angular acceleration, t is a time. So already given in this question, angular velocity is 0. So here angular velocity is 0 means 0 into t, totally this term fully 0. So here theta equal to the remaining term what? 1 by 2 alpha t squared. So here 1 by 2 alpha value what? 0.2. So here 0.2 into t value what? 3 second, right? So here 3 squared. So here 1 by 2 into 0.2 into 9. After the simplification, the value is 0.9 radian. This is angular displacement.